Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Facebook ads for retargeting abandoned carts. So for this, first of all, you need to run ad as usual as we run ads. Then in conversion side, you need to scroll down and there we have create pixel. So first of all, you need to create a pixel. You need to download. So here we will name it to sales for clothing and click on create pixel. Now add your website here, then click on check and click on next. Okay, so now here you need to click on return to creating your ad. So the pixel is added. So now if I scroll down and there you need to customize your audience. So I will go to audience and here click on audience suggestion. So from here you can target if you want females only. So I want women and then I will edit age to, so I will choose audience from 20 to 40 and also give them discount offers like 10% off if you check out today and also provide them free shipping so you can retarget abandoned carts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.